Hello, so in the last video, we saw how we had reached till commanding through terminal installing the OpenClaw. But I faced an error which I want to show you, which I want to share with you in order for your journey towards OpenClaw to be very hassle-free. And that is that not only Node.js is needed for OpenClaw, but we also need to have Git installed in our computer. So this is Git because the packages that OpenClaw uses, consumes, and runs upon it also needs Git and JavaScript, both of them. So this is Git. You have to install it from here. You will be prompted. It will towards a setup installer. Very easy thing. But the main thing which after installing it you have to configure is going to environment variables. See this by typing environment variables and then click this button, go to this path, click the edit button and give and select this new button and write the thing I have written here as the new variable because I have already established the path. You just have to write this by clicking the new button. And just to take care, you have to also see whether this is the path, actual path in where your computer has installed the Git or not. Once done, you have to select these OK button 3 times and hooray, you are ready to use OpenClaw. You are ready to install OpenClaw on your computer. So you have to run this command npm install general OpenClaw and then you have to say OpenClaw config. I have cancelled it to my OpenClaw setup so I can run it again for you. OpenClaw config and hooray, the OpenClaw wizard is now available for us. So let me also conclude this for you. Oh my God. Let me conclude for you this thing with another visuals that we can. So this is the Node.js, which is like a launchpad for our rocket. The rocket is OpenClaw, which will take us into the skies of autonomous agent, autonomous AI, and the control tower through which you are going to establish the contact with this rocket is this OpenClaw wizard, which we have installed now. This is the control tower, which is helping you navigate this rocket into the skies of autonomous AI. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video.